Hello. Hello. Welcome. Thank you. How are you today? I am good. That's nice. Is this your salon? Yes, it is. It looks beautiful. Thank you. I would like some beauty services. Sure. Can you help me? Of course.
What would you like today? I need a haircut. Okay. I also want a facial. No problem. And maybe a manicure. Great choice. How long will it take? About 2 hours. That's fine. Please have a seat. Thank you.
How would you like your hair?
I want it shorter.
How short?
Just a little shorter.
Okay.
Not too short. I understand. I like simple styles. That's easy. Good. Shall we begin? Yes.
Are you comfortable?
Yes,
Great.
the salon is very nice.
Thank you.
Is it always busy?
Most days.
That's good.
We have many customers.
I can see that.
Everyone likes to look good.
That's true. The haircut is done.
Really?
Yes.
Let me see.
Sure.
Wow.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. Wonderful. It looks fresh.
I am happy you like it. Now we will do the facial.
Okay. Please relax. I will. Close your eyes. Okay. Is the water too warm? No. Good. This feels nice. Relax and enjoy. Thank you.
How long have you worked here? 5 years. That's a long time. Yes. Do you enjoy your job? Very much. That's nice. I enjoy helping people. You seem very friendly. Thank you. You're welcome.
The facial is done. My skin feels soft. That's great. I feel refreshed. Wonderful. Are you ready for the manicure?
Yes.
Please sit here.
Okay.
What color would you like?
Pink.
Good choice. I like light colors. Pink looks beautiful. Thank you.
Do you like this shade?
Yes.
Great. It looks pretty. I agree. Let's use it. Perfect. How long will it take? About 20 minutes. That's fine.
Do you come to salons often?
Not very often.
Really?
Maybe once every few months?
I see. I am usually busy. Work? Yes. What do you do? I work in an office. Nice. Your manicure is finished. Let me see. Sure. It looks beautiful. I'm glad you like it. Thank you. You're welcome.
I look different.
In a good way.
Yes. You look great. Thank you so much. My pleasure. I feel confident. That's wonderful. Do you sell beauty products? Yes. Can you recommend something? Sure. For my hair. This shampoo is very popular. Really? Yes. I will take one. Great. How much is everything? $80. Okay. Cash or card? Card. Please tap your card. Done. Payment successful. Thank you. Before I leave, I want to thank you again. That's very kind of you. I really enjoyed my time here. We are glad you did. This was my first visit to your salon. Really? Yes. I'm happy you chose us. My friend recommended this place. That's wonderful. She said everyone here is friendly. We always try our best. I can see that. Thank you. The salon is very beautiful. We work hard to keep it nice. It feels comfortable. That is important to us. I felt relaxed the whole time. That's great to hear. I was tired before I came. And now I feel refreshed. Wonderful. The haircut looks amazing. I'm glad you like it. My hair feels lighter. It suits you very well. Thank you. You're welcome. The facial was nice too. Did you enjoy it? Very much. That's great. My skin feels soft. That's the goal. I think I will come for another facial next month. We would be happy to see you again. And I love my nails. The pink color looks beautiful. It really does. Pink is always a popular choice. I can understand why. It looks elegant. Yes, it does. Are you going anywhere special today? Actually, yes. Really? I am meeting my friends for dinner. That's nice. They haven't seen my new haircut yet. They will notice it immediately. I think so too. I'm sure they will compliment you. That would be nice. Do your friends visit salons often? Some of them do. Maybe you can bring them here. That's a good idea. And the manicure was beautiful. That's nice to hear. It was a perfect visit. That makes me very happy. You do excellent work. Thank you so much. You're very talented. That's kind of you. How long have you been a beautician? About 10 years. Wow. Yes, I started when I was young. That's impressive. I always loved beauty and fashion. It shows. Thank you. Do you enjoy your job? Every day. That's wonderful. I enjoy helping people feel confident. You definitely helped me today. That makes my job worthwhile. I feel much more confident now. That's exactly what we want. Thank you for listening to me. Of course, you made me feel comfortable. I'm happy to hear that. Some places feel stressful. I understand. But this salon feels peaceful. We try to create a relaxing environment. You succeeded. Thank you. Well, I should go now. All right. My friends are waiting for me. Don't keep them waiting. I won't. Enjoy your dinner. Thank you. Have fun. I will. Take care of yourself. You too. Drive safely. I will. We look forward to seeing you again. I will definitely come back. Wonderful. Thanks again for everything. It was my pleasure. Goodbye, Sophia. Goodbye, Emily. See you soon. See you next time. Have a wonderful day. You too. Bye. Bye, Emily. Take care. Take care. Thank you. You're welcome.